Hello student, today we will talking about rational number part 2, adding and subtracting rational numbers. So come to the first part, that is simplifying rational numbers. So how to simplify rational numbers? Simplifying rational numbers by dividing the numerator and denominator by the same value. Repeat until there are no more numbers that can be divided into both the numerator and denominator. Example, 4 by 6 is here. So I can divide both the number by 2 is equals to 2 by 3. Example 2, 15 by 10. Here we can divide it by the 5 and 5. So become 3 by 2. Example 3. Here 36 upon 42 is a rational number where we can divide both the numerator and denominator by 6. So it becomes 6 by 7. So you can see in the all three numbers we can repeat the division until or unless a single number cannot be divided numerator and denominator as well. Now simplifying rational number, example 15 by 14 is already simplified, or the next one is mixed like 3 2 by 5. It is a type of mixed fraction, or we can say rational number. 5 into 3, we will multiply 5 and 3 and add to the 2. So it becomes 3 into 5 plus 2 upon 5. 3 5s are 15 plus 2, 17 upon 5. Now it cannot be divided by any similar number. So it is already simplified. In the third example, there is 36 upon 42. So we can divide it by first 2 and then it becomes 18 by 21. Now we can divide the numerator and denominator by 3 and it becomes 6 by 7. Now adding the rational numbers. So what are the steps we can do? First, they must have a common denominator. If I want to add two rational numbers, their denominator should be same. Next, look at the sign. If they have same sign, you add the absolute value and keep the sign. If they have different sign, subtract the absolute value and keep the sign of the largest digit. Now subtracting rational number. In the subtraction, first they must have common denominator as well. Now rewrite the subtraction as addition. Keep change and change. Follow the rules for adding rational number. Now getting a common denominator. So how to do this? First of all, we will find the common denominator by multiplying them. So here the denominator is 3 and 5. So the denominator becomes 15. Now we will do the cross multiplication. We will multiply the 5 with 2 and 3 with 4. So it becomes 2 into 5 plus 4 into 3 upon 15. Here you can see we will multiply this to this and this to this. So it becomes 2 into 5 plus 4 into 3 equals to 15. Now we can add them. 2 into 5 is 10. 4 into 3 is 12. 10 plus 12 is equals to 22 upon 15. Now we will simplify it and convert it into mixed fraction. Why I am telling here the fraction? Because fractions are also the rational numbers. More example. Now come to the next example. Here the denominators are 4 and 6. So we will multiply them. It becomes 24. Now we will multiply 6 to 3. 6 3s are 18. 4 to 1. It is 4. 18 plus 4 equals to 22 upon 24. Now we will divide it into the simplified form. So we will divide it into 22 divided by 2, 24 divided by 2. Here the answer is 11 by 2. Now we can come to the next part. 5 by 8 plus 3 by 2 equals to 8 into 2 हो जाएगा is 16. Now we will multiply 5 into 2, that becomes 10, and 8 into 3, it becomes 24. So I will get 34 upon 16, where we will divide it by 2. 34 by 16 divided by 2 is equals to 17 by 8. Now